group has more flowers? Left or right?
Left. No.
Very good. Left group has more flowers.
Yes.
Group has more cars. Left or right?
Left.
No. Right group has more
Left.
cars. Right. Group has more strawberries. Left or right?
Right.
Right group has more strawberries. Group has more butterflies. Left or right?
Right.
No. Left group has more butterflies. Has more balls. Left or right?
Yes. Right.
Right group has more balls.
Yes.
Right.
Right.
This is all about more and less lesson. I hope so you enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed this video, then like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. See you soon. Bye bye. Take
Bye.
care. Bye.